In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted messages on a Messages app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. First off, guys, I'm gonna delete some message just to demonstrate you how we can easily then recover deleted messages. To delete a message, we can just long press on it, tap at More. On the next step, we'll be able to select multiple messages to remove all of them at once. And once you have selected all the messages you would like to delete, then just tap right here. Then delete message. What that will do, that will remove that message from that conversation, and that will move them to recently deleted, where they are stored up to 30 days. In that 30 days, in any time, we can recover the messages we have deleted. All you have to do is just tap at Edit and then select Show Recently Deleted. As you can see, now it is showing me some deleted conversations here. As you can see, right next to the conversation's name, it is showing the number of days that are left until that messages will be automatically and permanently deleted. And then if we would like to recover some message, all you have to do is just select that message, tap at Recover, and then recover again. After that, you can go back to your conversations list, and that's where we can ensure that the message has been successfully recovered. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.